Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. We've got a fantastic word to dive into, and I think you're going to find it really useful. Today's word is attach. It's a B1 level verb that means to connect or join something.
Pretty handy, right?
Let's break it down a bit. When you attach something, you're physically or even emotionally connecting one thing to another. For example, you might attach a file to an email before sending it, or you might feel emotionally attached to a special memory. It's a versatile word you can use in a variety of situations. There are some great synonyms for attach that can help expand your vocabulary. For instance, you could use connect. Please connect the charger to the laptop. Or you might say join. They will join the two pieces of wood together with glue. Another synonym is fasten. Could you fasten the seatbelt, please? All of these words work well in place of attach, depending on the context. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. If you're doing the opposite of attaching something, you might use detach. I need to detach the document from the clipboard. Another good antonym is remove. Please remove the tape from the box. You might also say separate. They had to separate the two parts before fixing the machine. Now, let's think about how attach pops up in everyday life. You might say, I'll attach the receipt to the email for your reference. Or perhaps, can you attach this ribbon to the gift box? It's also common in emotional contexts, like, she's really attached to her childhood home. These examples show how the word can be both practical and meaningful. Here are a few more sentences with attach to help you see it in action. Don't forget to attach the handle to the suitcase before your trip. He attached a note to the flowers he sent her. The teacher asked the students to attach their names to the top of their papers. That's it for today's exploration of the word attach. I hope you found this episode both educational and fun. Don't forget, words like attach are building blocks for expressing yourself clearly and effectively. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using attach and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you're using it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.